See you in the garden.
Hi guys, today I'm talking about my new rooster. There he is over there. Let's get a closer look. He's just started to crow. So, I'll show you what I've done. There he is. He's a big fella. Australorp. Purebred that one. So he's in here with the ladies. I'm really hoping to impregnate my chooks so I can get more chooks and put them in the freezer. Now, here's the little box I built. Yeah, it doesn't look great, but it works great. So what it is, it's just some old pellets, and I've just cut them all up, made a box. Very simple. It's got a vent on it here. It comes out the side, and I've made it sort of like it's in a circular shape to muffle the sound that comes out, and it's working like a treat, so me back neighbour says, so that's great. Now I've just covered it in old bats that I had lying around under the house. So yeah, it's pretty makeshift, but the chooks aren't interested in the bats, like pecking at it or anything, so I'm happy about that. And he just goes to sleep in there, inside there. And it's all made out of old pellets. You can get those pellets with the ply on them. So I've just got a bit of hay in there, and he sits in there in the vents. Can I get to the vent? Oh, wrong way. Where is it? There it is. The vent's just in there like that. Alright, just thought that might be a fun little video for Russell the rooster. Yeah, we've called him Russell, you know, Russell Crowe. Alright, that's it for now. See you guys later.